Welcome to Pursuit Cycles in Bozeman, Montana. I'm Loretta Strong. We are a small team of engineers, frame builders, artists, and craftsmen brought together by Carl Strong with a common purpose to always get better. We keep proving and improving ourselves and the things we make while developing our process to custom fit, design, and build carbon modular monocoque frames in-house in Bozeman, Montana. Drafted off the legacy of Carl Strong and designed by designer engineer Jeff Wyatt, this all-road bike was created to go further, faster, more beautifully. If you choose to race in unbound gravel or just explore your own backyard, this frame was designed for any surface road you choose. The ride characteristics are tailored to perfectly match each client's personal style. From size to layup to paint design and build, it's about more than performance. It's a feeling. It's romance. With classic lines, smooth transitions, and a traditional silhouette, we provided clearance to run up to a 740 or 650/50. We worked with this customer and found the ENVE 4.5 AR to be perfect for his build, one so flawlessly constructed that when put to its perfect use, its rider finds rhythm. We built this bike to capture that moment. It's what stories are made of. Designer Malyia Hawk created this paint design inspired by slime mold and the customer's personal style. We like to call it the lava lamp. We topped it off with our favorite saddle and tape in lime by Burt Composites to give it a little bit of attitude. With the customer's riding position for this bike being the most important factor, we incorporated in the ENVE cockpit with the new AR bars to go along with the AR fork and wheel set. We chose the new Campy Ekar 1x13 drivetrain for its light weight. All Pursuits are built in-house in Bozeman, Montana. Every frame features an internal IS headset, allowing for smooth, continuous lines. Bonded in titanium T47 threaded bottom bracket, custom dropouts with titanium inserts, a bottom bracket door for easy access to internal routing and maintenance, and all the frame's cable routing options are custom, as well as fender options. Being a small team, we can pretty much do anything. Creating the remarkable requires vision, inspiration, and an uncompromising desire to break conventions and exceed expectations. Pushing the machine and the rider further, faster, more beautifully.